So I have this. Okay, I don't care about my hair, okay? Cute mo pud siya, tanaw. It looks messy, but it's cute. So, this video is just nothing. Wala lang. Bored and I'm alone here. Kay, wala lang, nagpabili lang ko. Di ko gusto maglaag-laag. Sign of adulting, you know. Okay, bitaw, nagpabiling ko kay I am going to like, wala. Okay, I remember. Mag-review day dapat ko. So, bago po kong kaon. So, mo to. Actually, guys, nag-record ko because, wala lang. Nag-record gani ako sa UCSP. So, ganahan ako mag-record. So, actually, I have this one song. Dili na ko iingon ang title. Okay, gigate-keep na ko na siya since when I was in grade 10. Gigate-keep dyan ako na siya ng kanta. This song is like, what if na-fall na dyan ka? Tapos nagduwa-duwa ka if that certain person will catch you or andam ba siya na masalo sa mo or you're just being dululu na salon ka niya. Okay, so I really love to guitar, kaso I don't have any guitar here. Nasa Kanapulo lain po kaya doon ako dito, pero actually di po na ako siya kuha. But just listen to this song and I hope you guys can relate to it. Kapag nahulog na tuluyan ang aking damdamin, nariyan ka ba para ako'y saluhin? Mukhang malabo, mukhang sa panaginip ko lamang posible ito. Bakit ganito? Sa lahat ng tao, ikaw pa ang napiling isigaw ng puso. Sino ba naman ako para piliin mo? Tila tala sa kalangitan, nakakaakit subalit ako'y hanggang tingin mo. Kahit anong pilit na ika'y abutin, hindi ka kailanmang magiging para sa akin. Kahit itanong pilit, di kang mapapasa akin. So, at this song, it's like you have a crush, pero you can't reach him. He's like a star, or she's like a star that you really wanted to reach, but you can't. No matter how many times you force it. Pero ano magod sila nga dili pugso na mga butang na dili dapat kinahanglan pugson. But what if that certain person is kaya di kanya salon, but she's still healing? What if that certain person back then wants to reciprocate your feelings, your love, your effort, but she's just afraid? I don't know. And I am here alone and talking about stuffs na very nonsense. So, good night, I guess. Bye.